Good afternoon, welcome aboard the Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads, calling at Reading, Swindon, Chippenham, Bath, and Bristol Temple Meads. Please may I remind everyone that Didcot split tickets are not permitted on this route. On this train, sorry. And Didcot Parkway tickets are not permitted on this service. So if you do have a Didcot split, you will be asked to buy a new ticket, otherwise you need to change at Reading for a service that actually stops at Didcot Parkway. So we're calling out Reading, Swindon, Chippenham, Bath, Bristol. Train is fitted with CCTV, so please be aware where you'll put your luggage and keep your personal belongings with you at all times. Anti-social behaviour has been on the increase recently, especially within the train industry. This includes vaping on board. If you're found to be breaching this, you will be asked to leave at the next convenient stop. In the meantime, if you do find or see anything that's suspicious, please contact a member of the onboard train crew or through the British Transport Police on 61016. First class is situated at the rear of the training coaches K and L, and the designated quiet carriage at the front in coach A. If you're on coach A, please refrain from using any loud mobile devices and please keep noise to an absolute minimum. Reading's the first stop.